Okay, YouTubers, welcome to my video. What I have here is just a standard lamp. This is a 240 volt lamp, and it takes the type of bulb is an E14 type bulb. Okay, so that lights up, so it's a screw bulb, and that turns off. That's on 240 volts. So now I'm going to convert this to 12 volt pretty quickly. First thing, safety. Unplug it from the mains power supply, which I'll do. So it's safely unplugged from the wall. I'm going to now unscrew the bulb. This is a 12 volt E14 bulb that I'm screwing in place. I have a modified 12 volt socket power outlet connected to a 12 volt battery via a 12 volt socket accessory plug. So that is connected to this power pack, 12 volts. I will plug that in. Make sure the switch is on, which it is. Now, when I switch it on, make sure the battery's plugged in properly. There you go. That is a 12 volt modified lamp. So you can take it camping, do whatever you want with it now. But remember, when you convert it back, safety first, unplug everything. Make sure you change the bulb, that is especially important. And put it back to the 240 volt bulb. You've successfully modified a lamp without altering or chopping or cutting or destroying anything to do with the lamp. Thanks for watching.